there's no need for this video to be long. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. So what do you want to do is this. You want to go ahead and open the browser, which is Google Chrome browser or any browser that you guys use. I'm about to go ahead and just open it and go to twitch.com or twitch.tv is what I meant to say, obviously. And then you want to click on create a dashboard. After you're done clicking on create a dashboard, you want to click on the moderation settings. And then you go inside of this settings, click on moderation and then settings. And then you scroll all the way to the bottom on the settings control tab, all the way to the bottom. And this is where it's at banned users. And then you click on that and you have access to seeing all of the banned users on your Twitch channel. I just recently found out about this and I was very surprised that Twitch have updated the settings to where they located it differently on their platform, and they basically just recently updated on their settings by putting it in a different spot. So this is where it's at, and this is how you find all of the banned users on your channel. So if you want to unban them, you just click on this delete button, this trash icon, and it'll unban them. And to be able to ban them, you just go inside your channel and you go to the chat and you just click this right here, go to the chat, and then what you want to do, you click the slash and then ban, and then you just space out and type in a username. That's how you do it. Other than that, I really do hope that this tutorial helped anyone out there that's watching this. And if this tutorial did help you guys out a lot, make sure to please leave a like, comment, share, and most definitely subscribe to this channel if you guys didn't already. Follow me on all of my social medias. My social medias are placed in the description below this video. I'm a Twitch streamer, and it would be really mean the world to me if you guys could possibly follow me on Twitch. I really do look forward to growing a community on here, and I really do look forward to just seeing each and every single one of you guys that's watching this video. As always, thank you guys for watching. My name is Struco, and I'm out.